Mastering the art of final touch-ups in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that often pops up in various contexts: final touch-ups. Whether you're writing an essay, completing a project, or just putting the finishing touches on your makeup, understanding this phrase will help you articulate your actions more precisely. So, let's get into it and demystify what final touch-ups really means. Final touch-ups refers to the last-minute adjustments, corrections, or enhancements made to something before it is considered complete. This phrase is widely used in different fields, from art and writing to construction and makeup. It's all about the details that make a good work great or a nearly finished product perfect. Think of it as the polishing phase, where all the minor flaws are addressed to ensure the final output is as flawless as possible. To give you a clearer picture, let's look at some examples. In writing, after finishing a draft of an essay or a book, a writer might go through their work to make final touch-ups. This could involve correcting typos, improving sentence structure, or adding a few sentences to better convey a point. In art, an artist might add a few strokes of paint to a nearly finished painting to enhance its light, detail, or contrast, ensuring that the artwork conveys the intended emotion or message. In makeup, before stepping out, one might look in the mirror to make final touch-ups to their makeup, ensuring that it looks perfect under different lighting conditions. In construction, before handing over a completed project, a builder might do a final walkthrough to make small adjustments or repairs, like fixing a loose tile or applying a last coat of paint. The importance of final touch-ups cannot be overstated. They often make the difference between something that is good enough and something that is truly exceptional. It's a critical phase where attention to detail comes into play, ensuring that the effort put into a project truly pays off. In learning and using English, understanding such nuances can enrich your communication skills, allowing you to express complex ideas more clearly and effectively. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, final touch-ups. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and significance across different contexts. Remember, it's those last-minute adjustments that can elevate your work from good to great. Whether you're writing an essay, completing a project, or just making yourself look your best, never underestimate the power of final touch-ups. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on the English language. See you in the next video.